Now let's see how easy it is to install the QuickCam Wide Range Pipe Repair Clamp.
Prior to starting the installation of the repair clamp, you need to make sure that you have your tools, starting with your pipe tape to verify pipe diameter, and also to make sure you have the right clamp selected for the diameter that you measured. A marking device so you can put markings on the pipe to center the leak that would correspond to the length of the clamp. A pipe lubricant, and in this case we're using soapy water, and soapy water is recommended for all pipe types except for AC pipe, where we recommend an NSF 61 pipe lubricant. Pipe descaler to clean any debris, rust, or any other foreign matter off the pipe prior to assembling the clamp. We have an extra long socket that's used to tighten the nuts, and a non-metallic hammer. And the reason that we recommend a non-metallic hammer is because if you're going to be using it to contact the stainless steel lugs, you don't want to contaminate the stainless steel lug with any iron-bearing material that could cause corrosion later on in the ditch after the repair is buried. Prepare the pipe surface by thoroughly cleaning it. Next, verify that the clamp you have is the correct range. Next, measure the pipe to verify the diameter. Next step is to mark the pipe. Next, you give that a pretty good descaling. Next, lubricate the clamp, gasket, and spanner plate. Thoroughly lubricate the gasket. Next step is to lubricate the pipe. Next step is to mount the clamp to the pipe, centering it over the brake. Next step is to tighten the starter bolt. Next step is to engage the other bolts into their corresponding U-slots. Next step is to snug up the bolts, starting from the center, working your way out and maintaining an even gap on the spanner plate. Now you're going to torque the bolts to the final recommended torque, starting from the inside out. Set your torque wrench first. The next step is to wait 10 minutes prior to final torquing for the gasket to settle out. Next step is check for leaks. And that completes assembly of the QuickCam repair clamp.